The kids are coming
Yeah.
here.
So that's the cabin. The cabin for Ian's Camp last winter with Carlos. Nice. Oh, ang ilahang campsite. Here. Daghan pa naabot. Safe siya here. They said, daghan daw ka idulipog deer pamugawas pagabi and the squirrel.
Curtis? Yeah.
Oh, kana daw nga tumba na kahoy diha na. Oh. So kini ilahang trail diri, naani purpose po siguro. Why does it has a mark there?
It's a trail.
Ah, I see. It's a
Go down
trail.
the trail.
Yeah.
That might even take us right to the parking lot too.
Ah, okay.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go this shortcut.
Go to the trail.
Yeah, we'll pass through the trail.
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 Yes. Trail.
What's up, baby? There's a bump up there.
This is a shortcut to the parking lot.
So when we got this land
Yeah.
for the scouts, it was farmland. It was just flat. There was nothing here.
Oh,
All these
really?
trees were planted
Mm.
after we got the land, eh?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Who planted this?
The scouts.
Oh.
There wasn't a single tree on this land.
Oh, look, pine trees.
So when did they start planting?
In the 40s.
40s?
Ah, so, dugay na jud ay kaayo ni.
Donated this?
The guy from General Motors, McLaughlin. The
Maglockton.
one on Simcoe's got the big house there still there, museum.
Oh. Maglockton ang nag-donate ani nga land for the scout. Plain lang daw ni sa una, way mga trees. And then, 1940s, na ang mga scout ang nananom. So, muna ni karon asa kailangan mga trees either. So, ba?
Sa imong naong pag inausahay mo pigit.
So, shortcut ni siya sa parking lot. Tanawa, dagan kayo mga sagot-sagot. Pag yung mga mura, manita na yung lumot. Moose daw, Jud. So, ani, nasa yung mga truck diri. Mga trail di ay, I mean, para silang mga activities. What does it mean if it's colored with orange? Carlos, what does it mean if orange or yellow? Trail.
Mahay nung tugat dito ni Ari.
Ano an?
Iyon ko. Is there an open washroom over there?
Yes.
Okay.
Imangi ang punta.
Trippy.
So, dahil kami nakita squirrel ganina, nagdagan-dagan. Gamay, wala kayong squirrel, no? Raglaga. Pagulang lang gamay sa ilaga. Pero ang ilang ikog kay lipad taas. Look. See? Mura sa nagsakagpuan. Kana nag-apil og camping. Wala na mi sa dakong kalsada. Shortcut lang din
Ito
siya.
mo mo ana man dito. Diha ka dito na ana.
Yeah.
So at 7:30 we're supposed to be at the main cabin.
I thought you were here.
No. This was,
7:30.
What's it
It's
mean?
already. It's 7:10 already.
okay. It's not 7:30 yet.
Yeah.
For 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So you guys gonna eat here or there?
No, we're cooking our thing.
So you're gonna eat first or after?
After.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna eat.
The one type of the camping, no, I don't see India.
What's that?
I don't see
No.
India.
No.
Indian
No,
people.
we have 2 leaders there that are Indian. Yeah.
I saw in Asia.
Kaihon.
The white, the white.
Well, the Asian
Orange.
ones,
The minus
ones
is
that
in
are lost,
temple.
because they're supposed to
Good
be
for
down
one.
there, and they came this way.
May gamay na langgam.
Over here, they got a nice.
What's that?
It's like a little
I
pond.
told them they.
Hi,
You can do?
there's a river there.
And yeah, and then when we go to pelletry, it's in this building in
There's
the
a
basement.
river.
That's where we shoot the pellets in the archery. Wanna go look?
May river
Yeah.
sa likod. There's a river.
When the
Yeah.
cannon is running, You can see the salmon there by that.
Bridge.
There's a bridge. Yeah, you can see the salmon.
But I need to pee.
Okay, the peas in this building here.
Ah, there's a bridge there.
Yeah,
Is it open?
yeah, it should be open. You open the door and go to the right.
Nado sila river, nasa sila canoe. You have a boat canoe?
Yeah, canoes. Yeah. Yeah.
Canoe. See? Kuya kay ang ilang camp, kay naay river, naapoy canoe. So mag-activities sila dira. See? Mo na ilang. Oh? Nice kayo no. Close na to ang river, close view. And that's canoe. Dito sa nahan, naapoy bridge. Murag hanging bridge yata ni. Wala na akong di na ako maadto dito, gibiyaan ako. Okay, balik ko din sa lugar. Asa sila? Gibiyaan ako. Are they inside? Okay, yeah.
So you go in
That's
here.
time for now. Bye.
Go to the plastic.
This one?
Yeah, and it's on the right.
Ah, okay, thank you. Hello. Kuya, kailangan ko ang dili. Ihianan. On the right. As here. Lord? Ah. Gani. Bye.
At Camp Samak. And then we're now in the creek. And apparently the salmon will spawning in there.
Yeah.
And then
There's a bird coming in. Look,
where?
right there.
This is the water, right?
Oh wow. Duck.
Yeah,
It's a
mallard.
loon.
That's a mallard.
Mallard.
People eat that. They shoot it.
It's not prohibited.
No.
Mallard.
Sometimes
You need a license. You got to get the tag, and it's only a certain
So
time
we're
of
at
year.
Camp Samak.
Yeah, I can't shoot it
That's
now.
the
It's
log.
around October.
Logs cabin. Log cabin. And that's their canoe when they come to the
There's a certain time of year,
river.
and you got to get a tag, a small game tag, eh?
How many allowed?
I'm not sure.
Can get
Maybe
one or
5.
two or 5?
Migratory birds, they're the ones that don't stay here. They go back and forth.
Yeah.
You only allowed so many of those.